Good morning and welcome back to the channel.
Hi.
Hi. We aren't in the Lake District today, as you've probably seen. We are at a local nature reserve, which isn't far from our house. And one, because the weather's been so poor, we decided to stay local. And two, my darling wife came up with this idea. I wasn't going to film today, but you said film it, didn't you?
Yeah, because I thought it'd be nice for parents that can't get out with the kids, and if they've got prams, at least they can do this walk.
Yeah, so
and
there's...
it doesn't cost now apart from £5 parking.
Yeah, so there you go. Yeah, it's £5 parking for the day.
And lots to see.
And there's lots to see here. There's a visitor centre as well.
The cafe and food. Yummy food.
So yeah, this one is just saying that the outdoors is accessible for all. Where they've got prams, wheelchairs, there's a lot of gravel tracks here. So yeah, so that's it. So welcome to Brockholes Nature Reserve. Right, just to give you a bit of orientation of where we are. As I'm walking this way, Preston City is over there. The River Ribble is over there, and Clitheroe, Whalley, Blackburn is over that way. And Blackpool, Lancaster is out there in front of us. And M6 South is behind us. So
just in the middle.
So we're just in the middle a bit. Oh, there's a heron down there. You see it? Right in there. You see it? Is that grey?
It's great.
Yeah, heron.
Ah, found it.
We've walked literally a few yards from the car park and seen a heron. Happy days. So there we go. Nature at its best. Yeah, there's the beautiful River Ribble there. Beautiful landscape. Don't know if the camera's picking it up, but can you see the driftwood in the river there? River's really high today. Now, as I've always said before, how good for your physical and mental health being out here is. You know, and I know we love the mountains, and you know, there's nowhere else I'd rather be, but sometimes, you know, statistically, just getting out in nature, you know, in whatever form that may be, whether it be a local park or somewhere like this, or the high fells, mountains, whatever it is, as long as you're getting out into nature, it's amazing how beneficial it really is. So, you know, just have a look in your local area. There's bound to be somewhere, and if you are local to this area, just come down here. It's just fabulous being out. You know, there's nowhere better, really there isn't. A bit of bivouac building down there. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, so there's a children's play area here, and I'm assuming that that and that is a zip line without the zip. Yeah, this is how much rain we've had. That's a field. Yep, that's a field. So yeah, there you go. Don't know if you can hear, but just over there is the M6 motorway. I don't know if you can see it in the distance. Yeah, just heading into one of my favourite environments now. Woodland. I love woodland. They're a bit weird like that. I just love the woods. You like the woods? You smiler. Little smiler, ain't you? But yeah, beautiful out here. It's stunning. I just love the paths with the carpet of leaves. It's it's just like a beautifully patterned carpet with your yellows, your greens, your browns, your oranges. It's absolutely stunning. Yeah, what a play. I'm loving this tree with the colours there, the yellows and the oranges. Beautiful. Look at that. Hello, buddy. Two of them, actually. Hello. Yes. Hello. Squirrels. Do you see them? Hello. Hello. Hey, buddy. Hello. Hey, guys. No idea what that bird's called, but if anybody knows, let me know. Beautiful.
Upside down willow tree.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. Anyway, just as you've seen, the squirrels and those stunning birds. No idea what kind of birds those are, what breed they are. If anybody knows, drop them in the comments and let me know. Very, very pretty. Yeah, it was kind of like brown with a red breast. It wasn't a robin, because it wasn't shaped like a robin. Or if it was a robin, it was an extremely thin robin. Yeah, so yeah, that sums up my knowledge. So there we go. Yeah, dead happy I've seen that. Yeah, it looks like a bit of a swampland here. There's a path we've come from. I said at the start, paths are easily accessible, very flat. And the other good thing about places like this, packed lunch and feeding your monsters. No. That's a bit of lunch done, and regardless of where you are, always leave no trace. Take all your rubbish home and make it look like you were never there. So let's crack on, shall we?
Yes.
Yeah. With the motorway literally right there, that these ponds are like holding ponds for flood water. It all flows in there, which is a good idea really. It keeps all the water away from the motorway, and it puts it somewhere where it's going to be useful. Because I know there's a fishing club down here, so so they use them obviously for that purpose. We're just hang on, I'll turn you around. Just trying to get past these bloody puddles now. Oh, there we go. Yeah, just negotiating the puddles there, weren't we?
Aye.
There's loads of them. Obviously, we've had a lot of rain locally over the last 24 hours. So yeah, everywhere's a bit flooded, but you deal with it and get on with it. Game of dodge the puddle. But yeah, all good fun. Good job. We've got sealskins on, eh? I wasn't going to bother today with it being past and stuff, but I thought, do you know what? Got a sneaking suspicion. So yeah, I'm glad I did. Well, glad we all did. So the only issue with this place is the noise. I'm having to raise my voice a bit because of that. Hey ho, never mind. But yeah, you see, you know, like I said, Preston City is literally just over there as well, and you know, to have this here, you know, the wildlife we've seen is it's encouraging. It really is. Well, this is a bit more difficult because there's just nowhere to go. Well, in the puddle we go. So if you can, invest in some sealskins. I know they're expensive, but by God, they make a difference. Really do. Yes, as I said, the motorway's there. I don't know if you can see the cars streaming past. Yeah, just looking over there, see some Canadian geese. Got the swans as well. I can't make out what anything else is, but what a place for them. What a safe environment. Yeah, so a little hide here to observe the birds. What do you reckon, Trix? Just saying, we could have had lunch in here.
Yes, we could have.
So yeah, there's another one on the far side over there, and another one there. But yeah, beautiful. Let's use the style.
I'm not using the style. Why?
I don't know why that's there. I was gonna go on it, but the missus was rolling her eyes, so
It's probably not even bedded into the ground.
so yeah, so I thought better of it. So we're not far now from the visitor centre, where these two are going to have some cake, probably. So yeah, that's pretty much. I know it's only been a short little film, but this film has been about just promoting this environment for the mental health and physical health benefits of it, and it really does promote those, regardless of how long you're out, how far it is, it doesn't matter. And also to prove that environments like this are accessible for all.
Yep, definitely.
So I would, you know, invite you to have a look around your local area, because there's bound to be some like this somewhere, and you know, get out there, explore. So yeah, so from us and the beautiful Brockholes Nature Reserve, take care and
Bye.
bye. That lookout. Have a look at lookout, like. Yeah, some like breeding ponds here for the what are they?
Fish.
Well, not fish, frogs and such like. Reptiles, there you go, that's what I was looking for. Come on, push. There you go.
Oh, where I have a beetle. Flamingo. Forest.
Yeah, that's looking over towards the birds, things we were looking at from the far side over there. But yeah. Coffee. Babe's contemplating her life.
Yeah.